Let me show you a comparison with Apple Watch Series 10 and the AirPods Pro 3. So I just checked how both devices record heart rate during the strength training, but also there's the indoor walk, basically walking on the treadmill. And I was using AirPods Pro 3 with my iPhone 17 and the Apple Watch Series 10 connected to my iPhone 12. So this one was actually captured in the Apple Watch, and this strength training was captured by using AirPods Pro 3. And the first difference we see is a small disproportion in the amount of calories burned, active and total kilocalories. But of course, what interests us most is the work of the heart rate. And now when we go for the graph of the heart rate and open it, we can see the first difference. On the Apple Watch workout, we have heart rate zones that are located just over here, something that unfortunately is not available on the AirPods Pro 3. But if we take a closer look at the heart rate work and how the heart behaves after the activity, that the result is just identical. Take a look. Of course, I'm basing this on just a one strength training session, which wasn't very long because it only lasts like 50 minutes, but I still think this current result is like really interesting, and I will continue comparing the AirPods Pro 3 with my Apple Watch Series 10 to see the difference, or if the difference will appear actually. And right now, when we go into that indoor walk on the treadmill, so now for that indoor walk, we got also a difference of several meters in the recorded distance, which is located here, and also in the active and total kilocalories burned. Also a small difference in the average pace, but when we go to the heart rate, it's just the same. When you go for the heart rate graph, we got also heart rate zones. When you take a look on the graph over here, here, and the post-workout heart rate, it looks identical. It was also really short indoor walk, only 10 minutes, but I'm really surprised how this sensor on the AirPods Pro 3 works. And we have to remember that Apple Watch Series 10 is one of the most accurate sport devices of this type, and I will definitely continue these tests. And if you are interested in them, just visit my channel sometimes. And if you have any other questions about that heart rate measurement on the AirPods Pro 3 or the Apple Watch Series 10 or basically Apple devices, then I can highly recommend you to leave them in the comment or simply search in my channel.